In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a random quote generator to your Notion page. By the end, you'll have a little panel on your page that serves up fresh, inspiring quotes automatically with almost no setup. Start by searching for a random quote widget online. A widget is simply a small web tool that runs inside another page, and in this case, it displays quotes that change over time. In your browser, use a simple search phrase like random quote widget, and look for a site that shows you a live preview and provides a shareable link. Stick with sources that look reputable and clearly state that their widget can be embedded. You're aiming for a direct URL that the widget provider gives you, not a bundle of code. If you see a long snippet of HTML or script tags, skip that and look for a plain link or a button labeled something like Copy Widget Link or Share URL. Once you've found a widget you like, copy its URL link. This is the web address that points directly to the live quote generator. Make sure it's the actual widget link and not just the homepage of the site, because Notion needs the exact address of the content to embed it properly. If the page mentions a secure connection, even better. Links that start with hotkeys are typically more reliable for embedding. Now, open your Notion page and type a /, then the word embed, and press enter. Notion will create an embed block and show a field where you can paste a link. This block is designed to display external content right inside your page, so you don't have to leave Notion to see your quotes. Paste the link you copied into that field and press enter. Notion will fetch the content, and, after a moment, you should see the random quote generator appear. You might notice a brief loading spinner or a preview frame. That's normal. As long as the link is public and supported, the widget should display on its own and start rotating quotes according to the provider's settings. And there you go. That's all it takes. Search for a random quote widget online, copy its URL link, on your Notion page type /embed and press enter, paste the link, and press enter again. You now have a simple, dynamic quote generator living on your page, ready to add a bit of motivation or reflection whenever you open Notion. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new quote widget.